Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of October in 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and others live in the room. The setup is pretty similar to what we do every day. If you've been following us here at Samurai Day Trading, we have multiple failures on this level right here. And then we have a really nice strong candle indicator, which you can only get at Samurai Day Trading. It's an amazing signal. If you know how to use it properly, um, it's quite good. So this candle is the first strong candle after multiple failures. That's a really nice signal right there. We're going to look at our PVI. I expect the next candle be between 40 and 50 ticks in length. So we're going to pair our ATM. We're going to go with a little bit larger ATM. We're going to go with 1630s and 90s again and see how we go. It's a pretty big runner, but this is a really nice 15-minute move. It's a lot larger chart move, so we're going with the larger ATM, even though the the activity is a little bit lower than that. So this is how it all went down. First thing we do is we're going to put a buy order as a cover order right over top the candle. If this retraces back, then we'll move from the cover order back down to the candle, the body of the candle. So here we go. Oh, we got picked up. We got to put this where it belongs. Now, in these kind of situations, what we do is when a cover order gets hit without a retrace. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now our first target's out. Actually, our first two targets are out, 15s and 30s. I cannot lose any money now. Now I'm going to get a new order. Um, wow. No time to get a new order. This trade only took 30 seconds and paid 15s, 30s, and 90 tick target. That trade right there was worth 770 US dollars and took 30 seconds to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 770 US dollars in about 30 seconds, come and join us in the live trading room. It's SamuraiDayTrading.com, SamuraiDayTrading.com, the best education out there and amazing indicators to help in your trading. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Have a lovely day.